Hey guys, sorry about the furnace noise, but I gotta grab my phone when I'm fired up. I just listened to a QSO between two guys, one in Iowa, one in Florida, and they were talking about NFEDs and the virtues of them and the pitfalls of them, and what they said was pretty much right on. And then they started talking about the cost, and that being one of the pitfalls. One of the guys said, heck, the main problem with an NFED is the cost of the coax. Stuff's not cheap these days. And I'm thinking, really? Mine's 18 inches long. And then he started saying, well, then you got the cost of the NFED. They're not cheap either. A good NFED costs you $130 upwards. And I'm thinking, really? Less than $5 per core. Although that $4 core does just fine. Well, I'm sorry. Let's call it $10 worth of cores. The wire came from the junk box. The THHN was $15. 25 bucks. And then they started talking about, then you got to use a tuner with NFEDs. And I'm thinking, really? Not with a multi-tap button, you don't. I almost never use my tuner. Sometimes, but I don't have to if I choose to, usually. I can cover all bands with a $25 antenna, and usually no tuner needed. I tried to get in on their QSO, and it's not my nature. I sit and listen, man. I don't talk. I don't like single sideband. I'm intimidated by it. I don't know how to break in on a QSO on single sideband. It's new to me, man. I'm scared. But I tried. And they kept going with the other fellas, that would try to elbow in. And I realized it's because I'm not running a kilowatt on my desk. Or under my desk. Yeah. Too bad NFEDs are so damned expensive. Too bad you always gotta use a tuner. I don't. Damned NFEDs? Anyway. Dang it, Bobby. They suck. Hey guys. Blozo here. Blozo, you're mentally struggling POTA clown. Now you'll see Lucy's gone. Lucy's out back where I left her Monday evening. For you see, something happened Monday afternoon. At 4:20 p.m., I had shot number 2. And by midnight, I felt awful. And by 6 a.m., I felt like I was going to die. Full-on flu symptoms, man. Second worst of my life. The chills, the fever, burning fever, nausea, sweats. Oh, no joke, man. No headache, though, oddly. Not at all. So, hang on, guys. Man, hams will be hams, and boys will be boys. And I forgot where I put Lucy until today, Wednesday. I feel like my old self again. Stand by for a Lucy update. See, guys, I had to find a place to mount Lucy while I tune it and such, because I'm not going up and down on that roof a million times. Hang on, I'll show you why. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. That little hatch going up to the loft in my little shed, what, 7-foot drop to the concrete? And that's all it took to destroy my foot? Hang on, man. No, you see, boys, see the right foot pointed straight forward? Look at my left foot. That's why I don't want to fall down again. I had to settle for that. hang on. Now, I do babble. But, hey, Blozo, what's going on, man? Hey, Michigan Cacti. Yeah, me too, man. Looking for junk for my new Yagi. And, I'm ready to announce. I'm ready to give you a glimpse of Lucy, finally. Lucy, Lucy. Rise for me. Rise for me, Lucy. Whoa, about fell off. Little boys will be boys, and they do love to play. I had to see what Lucy looks like in the air, man. Try not to fall down. My very first directional antenna, and it's not even working yet, and I'm already becoming power mad. Gotta be built from junk, though. Not gonna spend one thin dime on it. 73.